All right, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to log scale in TradingView. First, open TradingView and go to the chart you want to adjust. Next, look at the price scale on the right side of your chart. Right-click anywhere on the price scale to open the context menu. From the menu, select Logarithmic Scale. You'll see the chart instantly switch from a linear scale to a log scale, which is useful for analyzing percentage-based price movements. If you want to switch back, simply right-click again and select Linear Scale. If you want to do it even the faster way, there's an alternative shortcut. Simply click Alt plus L, and it will change to the logarithmic scale view. If you want to switch back, click Alt plus L again, and it will switch back to the linear scale. And that's it. You've successfully switched to log scale in TradingView. Thanks for watching.